Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very interesting question for you. I am not hungry, but I want to eat. So let's answer that question. Before I get into the answer, let me just make this clear. I'm not a doctor. I'm a health and fitness coach who is qualified in clinical nutrition. So I have a good understanding of how certain elements of the body work, which is why I'm able to answer questions like this. So let's get into the question. So if you are not hungry, which means you've eaten maybe a couple of minutes ago, or you've just eaten, but you still feel like eating, one of the possible reason for that is because your cells are not getting enough nutrients. So you're eating, but you're not getting enough nutrients into your cell. So now, maybe you're eating foods that are very, very low in nutrients, or food that are just calories, they have no nutrients. So your body is low in nutrients because you're eating the wrong types of food. That could be one reason that you're still feeling like eating. Secondly, it could be because you're having cravings. It could be that you've created the environment in your gut where you've eaten a certain type of food, or maybe especially sweet foods, that your gut is now populated with the wrong type of bacteria, as in the bad bacteria is overpopulated more than the good bacteria. So the bad bacteria control your taste buds and make you feel like eating especially sweet food all the time. So that can cause you that problem. So you've eaten, you still feel like eating. Thirdly, you could be developing a condition called insulin resistance. Now, most people know that insulin is a hormone. It's a hormone in your body, for those that don't know. And this hormone, one of its function is to connect to your cell, open them, and allow food to go into your cells. So the food you eat goes into your body, and the insulin opens the cells and allow foods to go into your cells. So over time, some people eat certain foods that cause this insulin not to work properly, so it's not able to connect to the cell, especially if you're eating a lot of sugary sweet foods, high carbohydrate foods, and all the time with no exercise. You can cause toxicity to your cells because your cells are constantly bombarded with energy that it doesn't need. So insulin malfunctions, your cells are rejecting insulin. This can cause that to happen, and if that happens, it gets you into a condition that is called insulin resistance. And when insulin resistance happens, your cells then now start to starve because they're not getting enough. So that could cause you that problem as well. The last one is that you have a problem with your digestive tract. It could be that you have a low stomach acid. It could be that you have problems with your digestive enzymes. You don't have enough digestive enzymes. It could be that you have low bile, so you're not able to digest certain important fats that promote satiation, that makes you feel satisfied and not want to eat anymore. So these are some of the problems. So let's look at some of the typical solution you can do. So if your body is low in nutrients, which means, like I've said, it's because your cells are not getting enough nutrients, so they're sending the signal that you still need to eat. You just need to start eating nutrient dense food. So instead of eating foods that are low in nutrients or have no nutrients, you just need to eat foods that have good nutrients, like fruits and vegetables. Typical example, I'm sure we all know those kind of foods. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar would help enhance your stomach acid, make it stronger, so it would even help to reduce or get rid of bad bacteria in your gut, because it has certain substance in them that will make the environment very unfavorable for bad bacteria like yeast or candida, and it would help to get rid of them. It will also help to lower insulin in your body, so that will help you with the problem of insulin resistance. So apple cider vinegar is a very, very good option to help with this problem. then you want to avoid eating too frequently, because when you eat all the time, you sort of feed the bad bacteria because they constantly want to eat, whereas the good bacteria are not like that. So too frequent eating feeds the bad bacteria. It crams your digestive tract all the time. You're not giving your digestive tract time to recover after every meal. You're just eating too frequently, so that's not a good thing. You want to avoid eating too frequently. So if you try all of this and then maybe you still have the problem, then now probably you need to see your doctor. But first, try these points and then drop a comment down below. Thanks for watching.